Good evening. It's a lovely summer's. It's not spring. Here we go again. Good evening. It's a lovely springtime night, so we're going to make a nice light tea. We're going to make a twist on a pub kind of classic: gammon, egg, pineapple, chips. Make it a little bit nicer for us. So here we go. So for our chips, I've chopped up some red potatoes, chopped them into little squares, about a centimetre square. I'm just going to put in some dried rosemary, some sea salt, and some coarse black pepper. And then we're going to go throw them into a tray of hot oil that's been on the barbecue a couple of minutes. And then we're going to throw them in the barbecue with the lid down so it's like an oven. So for our pineapple, instead of getting them horrible nasty circular rings out of tins, we've got some of them actually and chopped them up into little bits. And then what we're going to do to add to them is we're going to add some fresh coriander, some chopped up green chillies, some chilli flakes, some salt, and then a few squeezes of fresh lime juice. And then all we do is mix it up into a salsa. And that smells absolutely beautiful. Also what you can do with this, if you stick this in a blender, you can make it into like a liquid and you can down it after tequila and it goes really well. We're just going to throw our gammon steaks on the barbecue now. And now we're just going to poach some eggs to put on top of our gammon steaks. Luckily for us, I've been to the farm today, so I've got some fresh eggs. So we don't have to kind of worry about all the eggs kind of going all over the pan. So we're just going to throw all the eggs in the pan in one go. Easy. Just going to throw a bit of sea salt in, a tiny drop of balsamic vinegar. Let's going to crack the eggs in. I'm just going to give them a minute and a half to cook through. The spuds are all browned and done and they smell absolutely awesome. That's it guys, everything's done now. So just going to get it onto the plate. I think it might have been a good idea. There'll still be a next week, don't worry. Not 1990. There we have it, a twist on a pub classic. The only thing what is remotely anything like it is the gammon. Got a poached egg, some pineapple salsa, and some little roasted potato things with some rosemary. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Cheers.
Being civilised like gentlemen.
Surprisingly, it actually works, doesn't it, Lou?
It goes good, doesn't
I
it?
thought we were going to be right.
What?
The spicy chili salsa thing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, whatever you like to do. But please get the word out there if you really like what we do. We'll see you next time. Good night.
Good night. Cheers.
Hanging on time now.
Here we go.
Here we can.